Hi guys, how to center a absolutely positioned element inside a div in HTML and CSS. It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, we have our parent div here with the class name parent div, and inside the parent we have our text with the class name text div. Now if we go inside the style section, our parent div have the relative position and the div with the text have the absolute position. This one, and this is the area of our parent div. So how to center the absolutely positioned element? We just need to write top clone 50%, then left clone 50%, lastly transform clone translate opening parenthesis minus 50% comma minus 50%, close the bracket, semicolon, and we are done. Save, reload. See, our absolute element is perfectly centered. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.